Dun, dun, dun. Vivo X200 Pro Indian edition. The phone's pre-order is just finished today, so I just got it on hand. I paid full money for it and I got it. Bought it with an HDFC card. The cost of this phone is 94,999. There's a straight 9,500 rupees discount. Plus you get a Bose speaker, you get a JBL speaker, and you get a watch. I didn't get the watch. So altogether this phone costs around 85,000 rupees with these two items. One more I will get tomorrow, day after tomorrow, when I'm going to sell it off. I took it on 0% EMI for 9 months, which will cost me 9,499 rupees for the next 9 months. So excited for this phone. I got the titanium grey color. In India, there is only one SKU, which is 16GB, 512GB storage. Just opening it. It's already opened because they had to activate the warranty in the store. The phone is still in the packing. I bought the titanium grey color, as you can see over here. I haven't loaded anything on the phone, so I just thought I'll try it out. It comes with a lot of pre-installed apps. It looks like a Chinese UI because the app drawer has been switched off. I changed the buttons to a 3-button layout. It comes with many bloatware. One is files. You get a Snapchat, you get LinkedIn, you get Myntra. I haven't removed the peeled off the paper till now. This is a SIM card remover. You get some documentations over here. Let's see what comes in this box. I'm holding my S23 Ultra in one hand. You get a clear case. Pretty bad case because you're spending 95,000 on a phone. You really deserve a much better case than this. Put this on the side. What do you get here? You get a Vivo card. Yeah, this phone, due to pre-booking, you get 2 years warranty, 1 plus 1 year. This is the card. This is the booklet over here, and here is the 90-watt charging brick, and you get a USB Type A to Type C cable. I don't know why Type A to Type C, not Type C to Type C. And you get a charging block over here, which is an 90-watt Indian version. So yeah, this is the unboxing of the X200 Pro.